This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Natalie Lique. Beautiful 3-story home at Chicks Beach. This home has an open floor plan that is great for entertaining. There are 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom on the first floor. The second floor has a great room with gas fireplace that accesses the balcony. Third floor master suite is spacious with a large closet as well. Private backyard and 1-car garage. Pets are negotiable with pet deposit and monthly pet rent. No smoking of any kind inside premises. For more information, review the details below or contact Natalie Lique at 757-420-0071.